Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. We're going to do a late night stream recap, and we're going to talk about two things: Bitcoin to close the gap at 8,500 because of futures. How will altcoins be, and will dominance go up to 75%? So it's just basically like what I think what's going to happen in the next couple of months. So I think before the end of October, Bitcoin will close the futures gap, and it will actually go to around $8,500, if not 8,000 or a little lower. It will then consolidate. It's not likely to fall below 7,000, is my opinion. It will likely consolidate at a price around there, and then it will go up because it's getting near the halving. I don't know if it'll hit 20,000 before the end of Q4 or in Q1 of next year. Remember, the Bitcoin halving is actually in May of next year, so it might not actually hit 20,000 until early next year. I think my kind of ceiling for Bitcoin on this cycle is around $50,000, and I'm hoping that Bitcoin hits around 40,000 by the sometime early next year, and that pulls the rest of the altcoins up. So that is my hope for Bitcoin. And dominance will probably, and I think dominance will actually go to around 75% on coin market cap before all is said and done. The dominance right now is 68 point something. I actually do believe that the altcoins will actually drop with Bitcoin, but once Bitcoin starts ascending, they will not rise as much as Bitcoin at first until Bitcoin hits its all-time high. And I think Bitcoin will hit its all-time high at around 16 to 20,000, well, $20,000, but I think the 75% marker, 75% marker will be crossed somewhere between $16,500 and $20,000. And since altcoins won't rise as much as Bitcoin, since altcoins won't actually rise as much as Bitcoin, that means that Bitcoin will actually increase its dominance over the other coins. So investment wise, I would just keep my money in Bitcoin right now until we reach about 75, 76% Bitcoin dominance. Then I would diversify back out into altcoins, probably like Ethereum, maybe XRP, VeChain definitely, and other coins. I think that's probably like the best you can do right now. But if you have over 50% in Bitcoin right now, I would considering diversifying out in some altcoins right now. I think you should keep 50% of your money at least in Bitcoin right now. And as for the other coins, you should definitely, as for the other coins, if you have already over 50%, then buy some of the other ones like Ethereum, BET, XRP, but with the knowledge that they actually might lose BTC value before dominance achieves 75%. I'm just looking at that 75% figure because I project out, I see Bitcoin reaching around 20K as dominance gets to 75%. And some people don't think that alts are going to rise until Bitcoin like hits 30, 40K. That actually might be true just based on last time. But remember, you can't really depend on history all that much because that's happened all of once. So that's not enough data to really draw what will happen in the future from what happened in the past. So that's the conclusion on tonight's late stream. There wasn't much extra news, but it was just us talking about, well, the serious talk was just, there was someone trolling later, but the serious talk was Bitcoin closing the gap at $8,500, and dominance will actually go, dominance of Bitcoin will go to 75%, and it probably won't decrease until Bitcoin reaches a new all-time high, and maybe you will need to possibly wait until 30 or 40,000 before altcoins actually come up. So that is the recap. Let me know what you think. Thank you and have a nice day.